Welcome to Economic Darpan. Friends, today we are going to discuss the MCQs related to the general equilibrium and new welfare economics. This topic is related to the microeconomics, and this video is going to be helpful for the aspirants who are preparing for the UGC NET economics, as well as they are preparing for the PGT, for KVS, NVS, and other states lecturership exams. So let's discuss the MCQs related to the general equilibrium. Friends, the first two parts we have done already, and the link will be given in the description box. So let's start today's video. First question is, study of pricing under ceteris paribus assumption is called dash. Option 1 is partial equilibrium. Option 2 is general equilibrium. Option 3 is Cobb-Douglas model, and option 4 is none of the above. So the study of pricing under ceteris paribus assumption is called the partial equilibrium. Question number 2 is, partial equilibrium approach is also known as dash. Option 1 is Walrasian approach. Option 2 is Marshall approach. Option 3 is Pareto approach. And option 4 is none of the above. So the partial equilibrium approach is also known as the Marshall approach. Question number 3 is, for welfare maximization, Pareto optimality is dash. Option 1 is sufficient condition. Option 2 is necessary condition. Option 3 is both sufficient and necessary condition. And option 4 is none of the above. And the right answer is necessary condition. Pareto optimality is a necessary condition for the welfare of maximization. Okay. Question number 4 is, Pareto optimality is achieved in dash. Option 1 is Marshall box. Option 2 is Edgeworth box. Option 3 is Pareto box. And option 4 is none of the above. So Pareto optimality is achieved in the Edgeworth box. Question number 5 is, the inconsistency of which one of the following criteria is labeled as Schittowski paradox? Option 1 is Bergson criteria. Option 2 is Calder-Hicks criteria. Option 3 is Little criteria. And option 4 is Pareto criterion. So the inconsistency of which one of the following criteria is labeled as Schittowski paradox is Calder-Hicks criterion. Question number 6 is, compensatory criterion was given by dash. Option 1 is Calder, option 2 is Hicks, option 3 is both 1 and 2, and option 4 is none of the above. So compensatory criterion was given by both, that is the Calder and the Hicks. Now let's move to the 7th question. Welfare economics is dash. Option 1 is abstract economics. Option 2 is positive economics. Option 3 is objective economics. And option 4 is all of the above. So welfare economics is the abstract economics. Question number 8 is, when elasticity of demand is greater than elasticity of supply, then the equilibrium is dash. Option 1 is the equilibrium will be stable. Option 2, equilibrium will be oscillating. And option 3 is equilibrium will be unstable. And option 4 is none of the above. So when elasticity of demand is greater than elasticity of supply, then equilibrium is stable. Question number 9 is, Freerider problem is prominent in case of dash. Option 1, social goods. Option 2, private goods. Option 3, semi-public goods. And option 4 is none of the above. So फ्री राइडर प्रॉब्लम जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा कौन सी गुड्स में मिलती है? सोशल गुड्स में. Now, the last question of this video is, market failure may not arise in the case of dash. Option 1, increasing returns to scale. Option 2, income inequalities. Option 3, public goods. Option 4, consumption. एक्सटर्नैलिटीज। सो मार्केट फेलियर जो है वो इनकम इनइक्वालिटीज में अराइज नहीं हो सकता। So these were the MCQs related to the previous year questions of the UGC NET.